Good morning, Monday evening family. This is Natty Symphony Journey. Oh gosh. This is Natty Symphony Journey. Today is Memorial Holiday. And I just want to come and do an unboxing. I have purchased this item. This is actually a Mother's Day gift from one of my sons. My sons, he did a Mother's Day gift. Give it to me money. And with that, I bought me a Set Power mobile freezer. It's a freezer and refrigerator. And it's been sitting in here for a minute. Okay, so Mother's Day is this month, right? May? Yeah. So I gotta think about it. It's for Mother's Day. Mother's Day gift. I don't know what they got about it. Alright. This is the box. And family, you all know I've been talking about van life and getting a van and traveling and stuff. And I do have my solar panel system. I have a Blue Eddy, I think 2048 watt hour with a 420 watt solar panel system. I already have that, plus I have that small 500 watt battery bank system too. So I have a total 2,500 watts of watt hour of battery power. Okay, so and I have been buying different things. I do have a little portable toilet to put in my van. I have a lot of stuff. I don't have a bed or the mattress, stuff like that. I don't have that. But I do have a lot of things that I have been purchasing for van life. So I won't have to buy a lot of stuff because I don't have a lot of stuff. I think this is a 15, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sitting here guessing. I don't know. Let me see. Hold tight, family. Hold tight. Okay, I can put this down a little more. Okay. Where's my glasses? I don't have a woman. Look, I put them down somewhere. Let's stay in the bathroom. Let me just have me turn my air conditioner on because I'm feeling a little warm. So family, you know, I haven't been uploading too many videos. I just kind of lost my interest in YouTube. Just kind of lost interest in that. And family, I did purchase a van. I have a 2010 Ford Transconnect van, and it's in Arizona. So I did purchase a van. I haven't had a chance to go see it, but I'm kind of like my son actually has a van, so he has the van down there in Arizona. It's in Phoenix. We bought it, like I said, I bought it, I think in April. Let me see, let me get this thing out. Just get it out of the box. Okay, look, it's not too heavy. It's not too heavy. Let me see if we can put it in a chair. Y'all can see it, yeah. Set Power. Oh, this is not too small. I think it's a pretty decent size. Yeah. It's not too small at all. And you can do freezer. You can set it as a freezer or you can set it as a refrigerator. And here's what's some of the stuff, some of the things it came with. Okay, this is the connection. And from what I understand, I read reviews on this here, and it has low draw. Okay, so this is for 110. Yeah, this connects to this here. And this connects to the back of this here. Okay, I heard that it has a low draw, especially when you use the cigarette lighter. When you use the cigarette lighter plug, that's the good. It's low battery. So that's why I kind of want to make sure when I purchase my. I always have a cigarette lighter adapter to it. I didn't think it had one. So it does have it. Oh, very awesome. Now using this here, from what I understand, it's low draw. So I have both of them. Thank you all. I didn't know I was going to get them both. Yeah, I'm happy. This is the Set Power FC 15/20. This is my user manual. I will read it so I can get familiar with it before I even start working on it. And I'm going to do that. And need to make sure I go down and register it, because I haven't did anything to it. There's just some more stuff inside of here. In this bag. Let's see. I don't want it to fall off the chair. But I have been failing since I started my YouTube channel. Y'all go back and look at my very first YouTube channel. Very first YouTube video. I talked about once I retire that I wanted to travel. I wanted to get a van and travel or an RV or whatever. You know, looking at the RVs and cost of repairs and all the stuff that people have gone through with an RV, I kind of like rule the RV out, because you come at all kind of problems and issues, and it may be comfortable like a big old home comfortable, but to me it's just too cumbersome to have to go through all of the stuff. And here goes some more, just some kind of pipe thing here. Oh, okay. Okay, I know what this one is. Check this out. I can put this on the side on one of these hooks, and that's a cup holder. Yeah. Okay, this other thing, let me see, it's something, I think go to the side or something too. This got a little pipe thing. Let me see. This is a pipe. Okay, but I know this is part of this here. I know we go here. Let's see. Okay, it's got some kind of buckle bracket thing. So this go over here somehow. I have to read up on this to see how to use this here. But this is something else too that goes on this side or the other side. I got both of these type of hooks right there on the side. So I'm going to give this, you know, take time to read it to see what's what. I think this goes here is bigger. No, this goes in here. Let's put this back. So these are little items that I've gotten with that. Like I said, this can hook on the right side or the left side of the freezer. And look here, cup holder. Isn't that nice? Yes, awesome. And yeah, I just been wanting to get out and enjoy some things that I want to do, and really haven't had a chance to. You know, I've been helping with my little 10-year-old nephew. Okay, so I actually got the cigarette lighter thing. I'm so happy about that, because I said thought I was gonna have to order it. Thank you, Set Power, for the cigarette lighter. Now, I don't represent Set Power from Amazon. I got this from Amazon, and when it was on sale, it was $109. Regular $100 and maybe $159 or something like that. But I got it on sale. And what is this? Oh, I didn't open this up. Did I? Oh, yes, I did. I did open this up. This is the okay, yeah, this is the thing, another connection to turn it on. Look up stuff. I'm gonna take this out so I can read the brochure stuff. I'm gonna take this out, but this is let me see. This product is warranted for 3 years on the compressor and 1 year for all other parts from the date of purchase. You're entitled to replacement or refund for a major failure or compensation for any unreasonable foreseeable loss or damage. Oh. Guarantee repair, guarantee compensation, return, no reason in 30 days. So I need to contact Set Power to explain product issue so far. This is just a little support card, just giving me information that I need. And let me go and try to tilt it so you all can see how large it is inside. But to me, it's a nice size. It's not too heavy. Uh-oh, hold on, top. And from what I understand, I can have the door open this way or open the other way. Yeah, it's made like that, so the door can be fixed either way. See here, it's really nice. I think it's 15 quarts, something like that, I believe. Let's see. Quick freeze, you can freeze your food. Yep, this is my refrigerator for my van. And I am super happy. It's not too big. And like I say, this is going to be, I think it's going to be plenty of space. You know, because I plan on eating as much fresh food as possible. And not be trying to, I don't do frozen food much at all, unless it's meats. But at first, me just going out buying frozen food, I don't do that. I mean, I don't even buy, I barely buy frozen food here. I like fresh food. I'm not supposed to count it any kind of way, I believe. Got to keep it up right. Okay, here are my connection stuff. Yeah, I thought this was a pretty good deal, guys. I really thought it was a great deal. I'm hooking it up, seeing what. Okay, this piece here goes here. I'm gonna plug this in. This is my cord over here. This is kind of short. Okay, it's on the blue light. See the blue light on this here showing it's on. Look how nice and bright that is. Something is running. I'm gonna turn it off because I'm not gonna run it. Oh, I feel the compressor. I feel the little thing going here. I'm gonna turn it off. Push this baby back in the chair because I don't want it to fall. This doesn't seem to be that easy to pull out either, to be honest. Shiggity. Hold on. Let me unplug this first. But I'm not trying to use this thing right now. And take the plug out of here. Seems to be a little cumbersome. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to use it just yet. But just wanted to show y'all it has really nice bright light here. And let's say I'm gonna read up on everything. First, that's the first line of business, is to read it. So I know how to work everything. And that's what I'm gonna do first. So I'm going to put this back in the box. Oh, this side. And like I say, you can change either side that you want to have your refrigerator open. Keep that out. Again, y'all, this is Set Power refrigerator. Set Power FC15/20. Refrigerator freezer. Say freezer, but you can use both refrigerator freezer. And so this is for my van, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. This is for my van. Like I said, I've been buying things, you know, especially things that seem like they cost more money. Like that Blue Yeti thing, that was very expensive. That was not cheap. And it wasn't cheap at all. What is this cover top? I don't know. This is naked. And this is not cheap. I'll tell you that I can't handle it. I handle it with the helmet. Here it goes. It's that straight. Yeah, I've been having this here in the house for a minute. So family, this is my freezer, my mobile freezer, Set Power FC15. And I think, yeah. And from looking at the inside of it, I think it's going to hold pretty good, enough stuff for what I want it for. Because I'm not really big on a bunch of frozen food. Mainly for my meat. Keeping, I'm going to put my AC on. I done got a little hot working with that thing there. You got hot. So, yeah, family, this one got hot again. And family, I've been doing a whole lot of work inside, outside, inside and outside, matter of fact. You know, we believe in spring cleaning. So last week I had started the spring cleaning process. Here in the tank cabin, I cleaned my refrigerator, I cleaned my stove, I cleaned all the cabinetry out. Today, is this more enough? See, let me bring it down some more. Hold on, family. So yesterday I cleaned the windows. I cleaned I cleaned 4 windows yesterday. I haven't gotten to the back one yet. I need to pull my my 6-foot ladder out, the storage. I'm gonna do that in the morning and get it out the way. So I'm gonna clean the back window. I need to finish the back window, and then like the outside of this one here, I need a tall ladder for that too. I was able to get this one here, but why I couldn't get that one? Maybe because of the air conditioning anyway, so it kind of limited me being able to reach. So tomorrow I'll do the back completely, and then I'll finish up this side window with the AC unit in. And I cleaned my AC out as well. It was really nasty. So no wonder we was continue to be still being congested because the air conditioning was really bad. So and although I had it covered for the winter time, the air conditioning, my air conditioning was covered. So yeah, I've been doing spring cleaning. I start my white potatoes and my sweet potatoes are out there growing. Just put them out last week. I have my corn coming up. I have some watermelon seeds coming up, and I have cantaloupe seeds coming up. I pulled out my long green onions just today, and the long green onions have that bud and little flower on top, so I cut those out so I can let those seeds dry out. And I pull out a lot of scallions. And I pull a long green onion, scallions on the end of that. So I'm going to cut those up and freeze them, because I'm not going to eat them as fast. So, yeah, family. So I've been around here busy doing things. Taught Maxie yesterday how to drive the lawnmower. We haven't engaged the blade, but I want him to get a feel of it, get used to it if I decide to let him drive it. my thing is that sometimes kids take stuff like that as a toy, and that's what I'm kind of mirroring about him. I told myself, this is a serious machine. This is nothing for you to play with. It's nothing to play with, nothing to round up, and nothing to just do what you want to do. So, I'm kind of, I have to listen to my inner man about that part of it. My inner spirit about what I'm on, continue that training. I may continue training with him, and since last year he's grown quite a bit, and he's way more. Because last year he could not fit the legs part was a little short, the body weight wasn't good, so the machine wouldn't allow him to run it, to drive it, because his weight and his height, mainly his weight. So he picked up quite a bit of weight since last year, He gonna talk about, hey man, he said, don't feed me for 2 weeks so I can lose weight. He said, you playing all of this. I playing what? You eat. I cook, you eat. You eat your food. You're a good eater. So, what you thought was gonna happen? You eat all that food, what you think gonna happen? So, so that's something I have to kind of, monitor and watch him, let it be used to it, and see how he handles it. I messed around there yesterday when I was mowing my yard. I messed around and I ran over a long steel wire, and that wire was over there by my lemon tree. And that's why I kind of like to put colorful things out in the yard with something significant that I need to watch. And I ran over that wire, and that wire busted one of my little tires. So now I got to get the tire off the lawnmower and take it to this guy in town to get him to plug it or whatever. It's probably damaged so bad, I don't know. But we'll see when I take it to the guy what they can and cannot do for it. But it was a nice wire punctured, I'm sure. But yeah, so that's about it. I have been working in the yard. I don't have much going on garden. I have yesterday I mowed down the garden. I left everything. I mowed down everything except the mint. I still got some very tall mint leaves in there, mint plants in the garden. So I'm gonna clean up around that. And the mint plants are they are tall. I didn't know they grow that long. They're tall, but they're tall. And when I had some what was it? The mint, and I think I had a lavender plant. It grew tall, but it died out for whatever reason. My lavender died out. So my compost bin, some kind of plant is growing in my compost bin, and it's big and strong. I don't even know what that plant is. It could be tomatoes. I don't know. I didn't plant anything particular in there for it to grow. Just like that beet. I threw that beet in there. That beet that had roots, and just threw it in. That thing grew like crazy. But that beet was this big. I didn't eat it. I threw it back in there because I didn't feel like messing with it. It was big. I didn't feel like messing with it. But I would take the leaves from the beets and make my salads with that. So that was fine with me. But yeah, I may just, once I'm going to get somebody to come out and till my garden up, then I'm going to expand my garden, make it a little bigger. And I'm thinking about putting down some ground cover that'll keep the weeds from growing between each aisle. Or however, I think I'm going to do that because I do have some of that stuff left. And I'm going to put that down in the garden to kind of help with where I won't have as much maintenance to do in the garden when I get ready to do my fall garden, because it don't look like I'm doing much for the summer. So my grow bags, I got 2 more grow bags. I'm gonna wash those out before I use them. Before I put anything in them, I need to go get quite a few more bags of potting soil to plant my food in. From my grow bags, I need to get a few more things. I got some marigold plants that's growing in about 3 different pots out here, and they're growing nicely. But family, this is Nancy Tiffany. I just wanted to do an unboxing of my mobile freezer. And like I said, you can set it on freezer, or you can set it on refrigerator. You can set it the temperature however way you want it. And I got it from Amazon. I don't represent Amazon. I don't represent Set Power. And I got it for $109. And it was on sale. I think, like I said, I believe it was regular $149 or something like that, but I know I got it for $109. And it's LC 15/20. Okay, fam, this is Native Citizen Journey. It's about your journey. You guys be blessed. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Have a blessed Sunday evening.